How is YouTube TV according to Reddit users? Here's a breakdown of what Reddit users commonly say about YouTube TV, including both positive and negative feedback. Number 1, positive aspects highlighted by Reddit users. Channel selection. Users appreciate the extensive range of channels, including local networks and sports channels, which cater to diverse viewing preferences. Unlimited Cloud DVR. The unlimited Cloud DVR feature is praised for allowing users to record multiple shows simultaneously without storage constraints. User interface. The intuitive and user-friendly interface enhances the overall viewing experience, making it easy to navigate and find contents. Number 2, common criticism noted by Reddit users. Pricing. Some users expressed concerns over periodic price increases, feeling that the cost may not justly serve as compared to competitors. Streaming quality. Issues such as buffering, resolution drops, and latency are occasionally reported, affecting the viewing experience. Channel availability. The absence of certain niche or regional channels is a drawback for some users seeking specific content. Number 3, recent developments. YouTube TV has introduced features like 4K streaming and offline downloads aiming to enhance user experience. However, these additions often come with extra costs, leading to mixed reactions among Reddit users. Number 4, in conclusion, Reddit discussions indicate that while YouTube TV offers a robust selection of channels and user-friendly features, concerns about pricing and streaming quality persist. Potential subscribers are advised to consider these factors and explore Reddit threads for first-hand user experiences to make an informed decision.